Hi guys, today we talk about how can you enable labels on your iPhone. Will you go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app? So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just click here on settings. Here you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on accessibility here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on display in text size, just click on it. So then you come here to labels here, clicking this sign here. Like you see, this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.